If you're studying for the real estate exam and need help with commission split questions, this video will walk you through exactly how to solve them step by step. These types of problems show up frequently on the exam, but once you understand the process, they're actually pretty straightforward. Make sure to stay until the end of the video because I'll share a quick tip that can help make commission split problems much easier to solve. Let's take a look at an example. A property sells for $480,000. The commission rate is 5.5%. The agent split is 65%. How much does the agent earn? See if you can solve it before I show you the steps. Commission split problems follow a very consistent two-step process. First, you calculate the total commission by multiplying the sales price by the commission rate. Then you calculate the agent's earnings by multiplying the total commission by the agent's split percentage. The first step is to convert the percent to a decimal. So we're going to change 5.5% to a decimal by moving the decimal point 2 spots to the left, which makes it 0.055. Just remember, if you're moving the decimal to the left and there is not a number there, you add a 0 as a placeholder. So we're going to use that as we are figuring out how much the agent earned. Next, we calculate the total commission by multiplying the sales price by the commission rate. So $480,000 times 0.055. Remember that decimal is what we need to write, not the percentage, even though it is by the percentage rate. We have to include the decimal. This is equal to $26,400. This is the total commission for the sale. So before we can actually figure out how much the agent earned, because there is a split, we need to make a change of 65% to a decimal. Okay, again, move the decimal point 2 spots to the left. So if you don't see a decimal, it's always after the number. So moving it 2 spots to the left, we get 0.65. Now we can do that final step in order to figure out how much the agent earns. So we're going to apply the commission split. So we're going to take the total commission, which was $26,400, and we're going to multiply it by 0.65, again, the rate as a decimal. So our final answer, the agent earns $17,160. If you'd like more practice with real estate math problems like this, I created a free real estate math practice pack that includes 5 exam-style problems along with step-by-step solutions. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Here's a quick tip for commission split questions. Always calculate the total commission first and then apply the agent's split percentage. Breaking the problem into these 2 steps makes commission split problems much easier to solve and helps prevent common mistakes. In another video, I'll show you how to solve more complex commission split questions, including situations where the commission is divided between multiple agents. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more real estate math tips and exam prep.